Video, and mainly short-form video, is currently the best way to showcase your work and what you love to do. You manage to film some clips and then you realize that you have to do some editing, which can seem really overwhelming, complicated and expensive. Well, no more, because today I'm gonna show you a very fun and easy to use desktop software called CapCut. I'm Henry, a digital content creator with a passion for video editing. Throughout my career, I've been working with clients, but also creating my own content for a variety of platforms, such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. And in this course, I'm going to be teaching you from zero everything you need to know about video editing, and especially about CapCut, so that you can get up and running with your videos as soon as possible. And I'm pretty sure you're going to be looking at the editing process in a much more relaxed way after this course. For some time now, CapCut has been one of the best editing apps on the smartphone, but on the desktop version, you get some extra bonus like using a larger screen so you can see perfectly well what you're doing, managing files, processing power. If you're on a desktop or a notebook, Windows or Mac, it will work the same. In the upcoming lessons, we're going to be covering a range of topics, from how to import, trim, and organize your timeline, up to adding effects, transitions, text, automatic captions, all of this. But especially how to make your videos stand out. By the end of the course, you're going to be able to create professional-looking videos that are sure to grab your audience's attention. So if you're ready to take your social media game to the next level, join me in the next lesson and let's have some fun with CapCut.